Jumping up and down. What type of exercise is that? There are two main types of exercise: aerobic and anaerobic exercise. Anaerobic exercise, like jumping up and down, running sprints, or weightlifting, is the type of exercise that is anaerobic. Anaerobic is also known as without oxygen, because when you do anaerobic exercise, it's usually high intensity in short bursts. That means you work really hard for short amounts of time. During those times, your body's working so hard that it can't supply enough oxygen for your muscles and you don't have enough energy. So your body starts to burn the energy that's stored in your muscles. When we work without oxygen and we work anaerobically, we're looking to build and strengthen our muscles. We often feel out of breath, and it can be done in a shorter, quicker period of time with rests in between.